What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there. And welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need the animation, let's say for your asset, maybe for the opening video content? However, if you don't have the tools yet, or maybe you have not had the skills yet to create those animation, don't worry guys, because in this video I will show you the fastest way to create the animation super easy and for free. So you can use this Meta AI to create the animation, and don't worry because the login process is super easy. You can use the Facebook or maybe the Instagram account, since this Meta AI also related to the Facebook and Instagram. And after the login process, you will see the home page over here. And as you can see that this Meta AI not only help you to create the animation video, but also create the picture, and also you can add something in general with it. And if you scroll down, you'll find the short video of the another user, and usually the animation video or the animation itself will produce and has the duration 5 seconds, and you can also extend it to be 9 seconds. And since we would like to create the jumping text animation, so you can put the prompt in this section, and for example I will put this one. For example, create the jumping animation, and the text gonna be let's go, for example. Or you can also give the setting for the text, let's say your name or your favorite name or color, for example. And after that, you can put your imagination about the jumping itself. And for example, I want that this text gonna be jumping on the trampoline, and you can also add the detail like the color of the trampoline, and also you can add more imagination with it. For example, the text is jumping very high to the sky, or you can also add the another detail during the night or in the midday. And for example, I will choose this prompt and kindly wait for the result. Usually this Meta will give you 4 samples of animation, and also make sure your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this animation. The first thing, or the first step, I felt the fail step, or the fail to, or this Meta AI ever failed to help me generate the animation. But don't worry, you can keep create the conversation, or simply copy this prompt and generate it again. And finally this Meta will give you the result like this. You can simply watch it one by one like this. And this is the another result or another output. Let's go to the sky. Which one do you prefer? And for example, I will choose this one. And I will download it. And you can also actually edit this prompt. For example, I will type before the text give the bouncing effect. then the text is gonna be jumping high. For example, like this. This kind of the refining the prompt to create the perfect animation you want, and you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the another result, and the result will be show over here. And for example, I will choose this one, and let's watch the result. Okay, this is gonna be the picture, and you can continue to animate it, and it will be generated into the video. And if you find the result is not really good, don't worry, you can keep going into the another picture. And for example, you can choose this another animation and animate it, and turns out the result is really good like this. So you can always keep building the conversation or refine this prompt with this Meta AI to create your best animation. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be ready to be your, let's say, the opening video of your content. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it at the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.